Welcome back. In this video, what we're going to do is talk about how to get Visual Studio. Visual Studio is going to be the tool that we use to make our C# projects. All right. So I'm just going to open up my browser here and I'm going to go ahead and go to visualstudio.com because I know that's a real shortcut key that I have. It's going to take me, if I hit enter, it'll take me to the correct link, which is visualstudio.microsoft.com. And that takes us to this particular thing. If you scroll down, you see a few things across the middle here, and I'd like to describe a couple of things for you. I'm going to go from right to left here. So over here we have Visual Studio for a Mac. All right, right away, you may have some questions because I had said or communicated to you that you have to have access to Windows PC operating system to do this class. And you think, well, but it's right there. I have a Mac, so that's a problem. Visual Studio for Mac does not allow you to make the types of applications currently that we need to make in this class. So you have to have access to that. Okay, so then for you Mac users, then what do you do? Well, as I said in the welcome video, I believe, our previous things are communicate with some of you. If you only have a Mac, what we can do is we can give you access to a virtual machine, which is kind of a drag to work with. So that's not what we prefer. But if that's our only option, you can't get a PC, that's just the way it is. If it is, just let me know, and I can help you get access to that. Everyone has access to it. We just don't want to use it if we don't have to. Okay. But Visual Studio for Mac makes some mobile apps and some web apps, which we're not making yet. All right. Visual Studio Code, a really handy thing, also doesn't make what we need, but it is a very small application that allows us to write HTML, JavaScript, make some other types of web apps. It's also cross-platform, which is very nice. You can do Linux or Mac applications on it and then push it to the Mac. Okay, so we can do that. But what we need is Visual Studio proper. Okay, this is going to be the integrated development environment IDE that allows us to write our code, debug our code, test our code, and deploy it if we ever get to that particular thing. Okay, so you have to do that. So somehow we have to get to that. And if you are a Mac user and you're using the Citrix VMs, that's what they're called, Citrix, this is all installed for you, so it's not that big of a deal. But for those of you that you're working on a PC, you will definitely want to install this. So all I have to do is come down here to download Visual Studio. There's a few versions of it. We don't want the pricey ones, so you can go ahead and do Community because that'll be enough power for us. Go ahead and click on Community 2019. And it looks like it did it for me. Oh, it's down here. Okay. So there your install gets fired up. All you have to do is just wait for it to get done with the install, and then you can click it right there, and it'll go through the application doing that particular thing. I'm not going to walk through that, but it's pretty much just you know, continue on a little wizard so you can get that installed. This shouldn't take very long. Okay. So there's no real customization that you need to do in Visual Studio for this class. So it's pretty much just a plug and play thing, and then you can open it up. All right. So that really small video, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. All right. All I need to do is just go out and get that. Okay. I'll never make you pay for something. So if somehow you get into a version, let's say you download the enterprise version, which will take you a year to do anyways. If you get to something that's prompting you for payment, stop, because nothing I will ever make you buy the whole time you're with me is I'm going to make you pay for anything. All right. So we've got that. So there you go. Hopefully you can get that installed. Let me know if you have any problems on Teams, and we can chat later. Have a super day.